Hello, this is Mohammed Azad. Welcome to my channel called Busy Architecture. I created one small model to show you how to do a animation in Sketchup. It's called Sketchup Pro. So I believe the most of Sketchup user already know how to do animation. If you already know, you can skip this video. Or if you do not know how to do the animation in Sketchup, keep watching. First of all, you need to looking at the view where you want to be focused on, what view you want to see very closely or more details. So here is I zoom in this area. This is my focus point. Now what I'm going to do, I can go view, and when you click on view, you will come all the way to the bottom, say add scene. So you click on scene. So now you have scene number 1. When you have a scene number 1, so you actually log that, view with the scene 1. So now let's find a different view you want to focus on. I am most likely to see this wall with the TV, and if you want to be a little bit more precise on that view, you can zoom in here and a little bit that way. So you have, this is your second scene going to be. So what are you going to do? You just come here, right click, and you said add. When you add, now you add the second scene, which is lock it here. Now, if you want to going back to the scene 1, you can just click it here. It'll take you back here. And if you want to come back to scene 1, you can click it here. It'll bring. I don't want to create so many scenes here. I'm going to create 2 more, so it could be more effective way you to see it, how the scene is work. Scene is most powerful things to take with you and going to your customer to show you to show them the model, how it's going to be look like each and every corner. Let's focus on the other wall. So I'm going to push back, and then I'm just going to focus on this sofa, tea table, and then sofa, tea table, and the flowers. Just position is right. Make sure good positioning. I'm missing the flower, so I want this flower. Make sure. Again. Okay, that's good. I like that. So now I'm going to go back to the scene 2 and right click on it and say add. So I have scene number 3. I'm going to do one more scene. Let me position my camera. Well, maybe I can do this little bit wider one for the whole things, like that. Lock it like that. Is good? Yeah. So you can see the whole view, your windows, lightings, and this is not a render, so I did not render it. If I render it, that will be more crystal clear picture. But I mean, showing you how to create a scene, or export a just kind of animation. I do not need to render it, so I did not render that. If you want to render it, you can render it your own. Now I'm going to do one more scene here. Now little bit more on that I just want to discuss. Let's see, I'm in scene 1. I don't really like it. I want to be a little bit better positioning, like maybe like that, right? All you have to do, go to scene 1 and right click on it, and then say I want to update. That's it. Now this is the scene, you want to see it here. And then same thing. So that means you have a choice to keep it the way it is before, or you can just update it with a new positioning. It's up to you. And same thing in here. Beautiful. And this one is here. So you got the point. Let's say you can create a scene. Now, if you are all okay with it and you want to actually export this one, you can go to File, and then you go to Export and export animation and video. You can also do the image set, but I don't want to do that right now, but I'm going to say video. So you export it. Now you choose it where you want to be, export it, you want a desktop, whatever. I'm going to export it in desktop. In the name, I don't really care at this point. It's a dining room. And now save as type is MP4, which is good. I like the MP4 because you can upload it in YouTube if you want to, because YouTube support MP4 file, and you have other choices what purpose you are doing it, right? WebM, or you can do OGV, AVI, whatever, but I'm going to do it MP4. Okay, and then you have other options here. What is your resolution you are looking for? 1080. Yeah, if you want to be 1080, you can change it 1080. Preview the frame is like that, so I'm gonna skip it, right? So, and also frame rate, what do you want to be your frame rate? 24. I'm okay with the 24. And if you can check on this here, said always prompt for animation options, but I don't need that many purpose. If you want to use it, you can use it. If you do not like what you just done it, just restart the defaults. That's perfectly fine. I'm going to say okay. All right, and then I'm going to say export it. So it's going to take a little time. There is a frame, 193 frames. It's going to be it's going to take very quick, not going to take too long, but I don't want to make this video too long. You get the idea, you get the point. Hopefully it is helpful for you. The people don't know. When I was a beginner, using Sketchup. I didn't know that. So creating that video for the people who do not know how to export their scene to, I mean, output their scene for their customer or consumer, or for other purpose. It doesn't matter what purpose they're using it. You can use it. But Sketchup is one of the most important 3D modeling tools. I have been using it. I kind of like it, so I recommend it. If you are new in Sketchup, keep learning. This is a good software. I find very helpful and easy to use. Thank you so much for your time. If you do like my channel, my video, please support me in going to, subscribe my channel, and give me a thumbs up, or leave me a feedback for the videos. Thanks again.